Guided meditation for inner peace. Find a comfortable position. Begin by finding a comfortable and quiet place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes gently and allow your body to settle into a relaxed position. Take a moment to notice how your body feels and make any adjustments to ensure you are comfortable. Start by taking a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a moment, then slowly exhale through your mouth. Let each breath out be longer and more soothing. Repeat this a few times, allowing your breath to become a natural and calming rhythm. Gently bring your awareness to your feet. Feel them resting on the ground or surface beneath you. Gradually, move your focus up to your legs, noticing any sensations. Allow your muscles to relax and let go of any tension. Move your attention up to your hips and lower back, releasing any tightness. Continue to your abdomen, feeling it rise and fall with each breath. Let it soften and relax. Focus on your chest and shoulders next. Imagine any stress or tension melting away as you breathe out. Let your arms and hands become heavy and at ease. Finally, bring your awareness to your neck, face, and head. Relax your jaw, smooth out your forehead, and feel a sense of calm wash over your entire face. Allow your whole body to feel heavy, supported, and at peace. Imagine yourself standing in a beautiful, peaceful place. It could be a serene beach, a quiet forest, or a tranquil garden. Picture every detail vividly, the colors, the sounds, the scents. This is your sanctuary, a place where you feel completely at ease and safe. As the light continues to fill you, repeat to yourself silently or aloud, "I am at peace. I am calm and centered. I am filled with tranquility." Feel these affirmations resonate throughout your entire being. Allow any worries or stresses to dissolve into the light, letting them drift away. Take a few more deep breaths, slowly and deeply. Begin to bring your awareness back to the room you are in. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently, and when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to sit quietly, carrying this sense of peace and tranquility with you. Know that you can return to this inner calmness whenever you need to.